Hello fashion lover, welcome back to Fashion Forward, your go-to destination for the latest in fashion trends. Today we are diving into one of the most iconic and timeless staples in women's footwear, Stiletto high heels sandals. In 2024, stilettos are making an even bolder statement with innovative designs, striking color, and an emphasis on both style and comfort. Whether you are a high heel enthusiast or just looking to elevate your look, stay with us as we take you through the hottest trends, tips, and must have styles of stiletto sandals for this year. Let's get started. Before we get into what's hot this year, let's take a quick look at how stilettos have evolved over the decades. First introduced in the early 1950s, stiletto heels have long been associated with femininity, power, and sophistication. The name stiletto comes from the sharp, pointed dagger which mirrors the long slam heel design from the classic black pump to the avant-garde runway style. Stilettos have been worn by everyone from Hollywood icons to high fashion models. Today, stiletto heels are more diverse than ever. They have gone from strictly formal wear to an everyday fashion statement, and 2024 is pushing the boundaries with daring new designs and a renewed focus on comfort without sacrificing the signature elegance. Let's jump into the exciting part. The top stiletto trends for 2024 this year is all about versatility, boldness, and modern comfort. Minimalist elegance, less is more. In 2024, we are seeing an explosion of sleek minimalist stiletto that focus on clean lines and simple stops. Whether in neutral tones or metallic finishes, these styles are all about understated glamour. The barely their sandals are perfect for any occasion, seamlessly taking you from casual day wear to chic evening events. Vibrant color, get ready to stand out. While minimalist designs are popular, bold colors are making a massive comeback. Picture wide hues like cobalt blue, fairy red, and vibrant orange. These stilettos add a splash of personality to any outfit, making them perfect for those who want to make a statement. Metallic and reflective finishes. Whether it's a glamorous night out or chic party look, metallic finishes are the go-to trend in 2024. Gold, silver, rose, gold, and even reflective mirrors on heels are lighting up the streets. These shimmering styles pair beautifully with cocktail dresses and evening gowns, giving you that extra edge of sophistication. Animal prints. Animal prints continue to dominate the runways in 2024, and we are seeing them all over stilettos, to from snake skin to leopard prints. These eye-catching patterns are great for adding a touch of wild energy to your outfit. You will find these prints combined with other texture for an even more striking effect. Architectural heels design are pushing the envelope with heels that are not only functional but artistic. In 2024, stilettos are featuring unique sculptural designs. Think geometric shapes, twisted heels, and unexpected materials like acrylic or wood. These are statement shows that double has works of arts. Comfort meets height. Yes, you heard it right. One of the biggest trends in 2024 is the merging of comfort and style. Designers are incorporating cushioned footbeds, ergonomic designs, and better art support into high heel sandals. This means you can wear your stiletto longer without feeling the burn. Now that you know the trends, let's talk about how to style these stunning stiletto high heel sandals for different occasions.